How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams, and over here we talk stocks and we focus on one thing. Always protect your profits. And today we're going to be talking about AMC. If you guys remember the video that I put together on the weekend, I was saying to look for a breakout above 1750. And when I was inside of the Discord, I was letting everyone know before the market opened that if you want to jump into this play, then you want to look for support to hold around $18.20. We ended up seeing a low on the day of $18.18. And I also did mention that we should look forward to a move above $19, and if we can get past 19, we can get to $20 plus. And that's exactly what happened today. If you are not inside of the Discord, make sure you check out the link in the description. A lot of people are crushing it. I won't waste any more time. Let's jump into the agenda. If you're new to this channel, I just want to let you know we have timestamps down below inside the description. But if you're a shareholder or you're thinking about taking a position, I highly suggest you watch this full entire video. So the first thing we're going to go over is a technical analysis. We're going to be taking a look at the overall price action. We want to know support. We want to know resistance. We want to know what it looks like in a bearish case scenario and as well as in a bullish case scenario. And then we're going to be going on Fintel, taking a look at the short interest information. The reason why this is important because it does have an impact on the way the stock performs. And then we're going to be taking a look at the order flow distribution. We want to know the buying and the selling behavior on the retail side and as well as on the institutional side. And then when all of that is done, we'll be going into the final thoughts and as well as some more details. So let's get to it. So we're going to do a technical analysis for AMC. Let's see how it performed on the day. So it ended up closing at $20.74, being up 13.58%. On the low, it tested $18.18, and then on the high, testing $22.35. When we take a look at the volume stats on the day, you can see we traded at 169.1 million shares, and the average volume over 10 trading days is at 50.255 million shares. So you can see right away we did have above average volume in the stock, and that's part of the reasons why we saw some strength today. Now when we take a look at our chart, which is a daily chart, you can see from the RSI down below it is at 65.52. And then when we take a look at our moving averages here on the chart, we are below the 200 day, the 100 day, but we are above the 21 day EMA and as well as the 50 day. So as you can see how AMC has been doing, it is looking very bullish, forming consistent higher lows over multiple trading days. And if you guys remember the video that I put together on the weekend, I was saying if you see some price action above 1750, we can look forward to seeing a breakout. And that's exactly what we got today, reaching a high of $22.35. So going into tomorrow, I want to see another high low around at least $19. That's if we pull back that far. But it would be great to see if we could hold up the $20 level. If we could do this, then I'm going to look for a breakout above the high of $22.35 and see if we can make this move getting to the 100 day right here around $24.98. And we know this will be a resistance area here for AMC, but if we have a lot of buying volume coming into the stock, that's where we can look forward to a breakout and potentially getting here to around $28. So now let's move on to the short interest information. So we're going to take a look at the short interest information for AMC. So for the off exchange short volume ratio, it's at 53.97%, and then for the off exchange short volume, it is just over 21.92 million shares. Scrolling down further on the page, the short shares availability is at 90, updated 2 minutes ago, and then for the short borrow fee rate, it is at 1.55%. When we take a look at the history of the short volume, we could see for the close of the 21st, it was at 60.28, and then for the close of the 22nd, being at 53.97. So what this shows us, AMC does continue to have short squeeze potential, and it's part of the reasons why I say to keep it on your watch list. Now let's move on to the order flow distribution. Now let's take a look at the order flow distribution for AMC. So we see on the inflow it's at 532, and then on the outflow it's at 549. Taking a look at the breakdown, on the large it was 15.50, on the medium it was 329, and then on the small it was 188. Keep in mind these numbers are in the millions. Taking a look at the outflow side, you can see on the large it was 17.29, then on the medium it was 300 148, and then on the small it was 184. Taking a look at the large scale orders in the last 5 days, you could see for today, March 23rd, we had that outflow of negative 1.79 million. Analyzing the numbers even further for the small scale orders that tends to represent the retail side, we had more buying than we had selling. And then when we take a look at what happened on the medium, we had more selling than we had buying. And then when we take a look at the large, which represents whales, institutions, and funds, we had more selling than we had buying. And then when we take a look at the turnover ratio, it was at 32.80%. So that is up there, but we know that AMC is a volatile stock. It also did see above average volume on the day. So I'll go into the final thoughts and we'll go over some more details as well. So for my final thoughts for AMC, when it comes to the price action, we are looking very bullish. We have been consistently forming higher lows. Plus on top of that, we have the 9 EMA that just crossed over the 21-day EMA. So I'm looking forward to a further move. And what I want to see is another higher low, most preferably holding up $20. We want to see that being a strong area of support. If it decides to pull back further, then I want to look for some strength right around $19.66. So that's why you want to add that to your homework and as well as your due diligence. If it falls below $19, that's where we could see some weakness, but you know how it is with AMC. We know there's a lot of retail interest, and the moment we have some sort of a catalyst like we noticed with GME and GME pick back up, AMC will start rocketing up again. So that's why you want to make sure when you are adding to your position when it comes to AMC, you're taking advantage of those pullbacks when they do occur, because this stock is well known for having a lot of demand in the market. Also, when we went on Fintel, taking a look at the short interest information, it does continue to have short squeeze potential, and that's part of the reasons why you want to keep this on your watch list. When I put the update inside of the Discord, there were many members who were able to take advantage of it. All I was saying, we want to see support hold up at $18.20. We ended up seeing a low at $18.18. So I was off by 2 cents, but I also did say expect a move to $19. And if we get past $19, we should be able to get to $20 plus. And that's exactly what happened today. So that's why I say having a strategy, doing your homework is very crucial, and why I emphasize it in all of my videos. And if you need help with that, or you just need some more assistance to start off with your trading day, then join us over at the Discord. So if you want to join the family, like I said, links in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see how this stock performs going into tomorrow. We'll talk soon.